Back in 2013, a new game changed our whole perception about gaming, and that one was The Last of Us, the very first The Last of Us. And to celebrate the two special characters, it were released two special editions exclusive to Europe. There are some other versions, and this should not be confused with Collector's Edition, which also includes the statue with Joel and Ellie. Here I have the Ellie edition. The box is not in its best shape, not bad either. I've got it from Germany, so everything is written in German. This was available only for PlayStation 3. The side box, the top, the other side, and the bottom. On the back, it shows everything included. Instructions about required space, resolution, number of players, and a short text about the story. So let's have a look inside. The box is not sealed because I played it a long time ago, but I've only used the disc, everything else was left inside. Inside the box there's a canvas wrap with the portrait of Ellie printed on front. Let's unwrap it. Here is the art book, the disc, and some other stuffs. Let's have a look at the art book titled The Art of The Last of Us. Kinda like the cover. For this one, Naughty Dog made a partnership with Dark Horse Comics. They're famous for making comics, graphic novels, manga, and art books. It begins with some drawings with Joel, how the character evolved, and of course Ellie. Those are probably versions of Ellie, and this is what it looks like in game. Here is Sarah, young Joel and Tommy. Those are levels in game. Here is the disc case. It's not a steelbook or anything special, just made of cardboard with Ellie printed on front. And both characters on the back. Again, one more image with Ellie. The Blu-ray disc is very basic. On US, the standalone version of the game, the disc is printed with the scene from the game. In this Europe version, the disc is fully black. Some instructions as they came with any PS3 game at the time. And here we have a controller skin for DualShock 3. So we put these stickers on top of the controller, around D-pads, analog sticks and buttons. Not a big fan of such things, so I'll keep my controller clean. Here we have 3 more things. A Naughty Dog sticker, this is a poster, obviously with Ellie and the title of the game. I would say it could be a better portrait with her, but it's fine. And the last thing is the comic book made by Dark Horse Comics. All dialogues are in German because I've got it from Germany. So that's it. That's what's inside the early edition box. What do you think about this early edition? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.